Well, hey guys, today I took on a project that I know nothing about, but I just got on YouTube and searched it and thought I'd try it, and I'm pretty impressed. Of course, I used what was available that I could get, but I used restoring the headlights on this. I used this 3M wet or dry 600 and 800, and I used the 600 first, and I'd rough it up. I'd clean it off with that and the microfiber towel in between, and I had to do it several times with the 600 until it got good and smooth, and then I hit it with the 800 to kind of take away some of the scratches that the 600 put on it. And like I said, I kept using this glass cleaner here in between, and then I used it again once more. Right now I'm on the first coat. It said to wait about 7 minutes, but it's been about probably 10. But there's what I used. Got it at Lowe's too. Just rust all them crystal clear enamel. I don't know how well this will work, but man, these headlights looked horrible. And they look a lot better than they did. This is an old truck. This in here has got a lot of scratches on it, but they look good. Look a lot better than they did. And as far as if I ever decide to buff them out, I'll probably use this stuff right here. Anyway, hopefully this is gonna hold up, and I believe it is. I'm gonna hit it one more time, put one more coat on it, and let it set for overnight. That's what I've done today. We'll see you next time.